Just making a quick video showing you guys something you can try if you have a brake that's squeaking. Sometimes they squeak because they have rust embedded into the friction material, or it'll just be kind of glazed. Something you can try to do is take your screwdriver, just put a little scratch this way, in a couple different locations, maybe 3 or 4 different spots. Get to the inside if you can too, and what it does is it raises the material on a very, very, very small level. The scratch raises the material around it, and it kind of takes a little bit of the pad and machines it down a little bit into a different spot, so it gets rid of the glazing. It's honestly, it seems kind of silly, but it works pretty well. So next time you have a squeak, try this, see if it helps. Thanks.